In this video, I am going to explain lookup functions. In columns G and H, we have a table showing the employee numbers and the respective employee names of a particular company. Here, in this part of the worksheet, we have a cell making a reference to an employee number. What I want to do is, I want to write a formula here in this cell so that automatically the employee number written in cell B3 will be looked for in this table, extracted and written in cell B4. Since we are going to look for the employee number, which is written in the first column of our data table, we can use the VLOOKUP function. To use the VLOOKUP, we can either write the function manually using our keyboard, or otherwise we can get it from the insert function button. Let's start by getting it from the insert function button. I am going to search for the VLOOKUP. Note that the letter V means vertical. And I am going to look up for this value. And then I have to indicate in which table we are going to look up. And we are going to look up in this table. We are going to extract the name, which is written in the second column of the table. So we are going to extract from column 2. And we are going to extract exact match only. So we will write 0 or false. When we click on OK, the name Hannah Camilleri came here because we'll search for the number 3334. And if we look in this table, we have 3334, which is Hannah Camilleri. If instead of 3334, we write, for example, 5421, note that as soon as I press enter, the employee name changed. This time it is Mark Borch, which is correct. That is one way of using the VLOOKUP. However, I suggest that in order to master Excel, you have to know how to use functions by writing them and not necessarily by using the insert function button. So this time I am going to write the function manually. However, in order to avoid having to write complex ranges, I am going to highlight this table and give it a name. I am going to call it employees. So now I am going to do the same function here, and I am going to write equals VLOOKUP, and I am going to look for this value in this array, which we have called employees. I'm going to extract it from the second column, and I am going to get an exact match. When I press enter, I will get the result accordingly. Note that it was possible to make use of this VLOOKUP function because we were looking for a value, in our case the employee number, that was written in the first column of our table. If we want to extract data using a key that is not written in the first column, such as in this example where we have the employee name, which is in the second column, and we want to get the employee number, which is in the first column, in such case, we cannot use VLOOKUP. But I will explain how to tackle this other example in the next video.